Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be making this yummy and delicious abacha. Give me a plate of abacha every day and you will be my best friend. I will also teach you how to prepare ugba. Please stay tuned. Now guys, let me take you through our ingredients. First, we have our abacha. This is the dried one, so I'll go ahead and soak it in water. Next is our mackerel fish. Abacha can never be complete without a well-fried fish. Then, our grinded ehuru, that is roasted calabash nutmeg. Here is my crayfish. Then, the palm oil. I'll use some for the ugba, while the rest is for the abacha. In here, I have my onion, garden egg, fresh tomatoes and peppers. All these will make the abacha very nutritious. This is my garden egg leaves, which is already sliced. Next is the pomo, which I'll be using to prepare the ugba. Then, this is the ugba, also known as ubaka. Here, I have my ash. This can be used in place of potash. Personally, I prefer this because potash can sometimes upset the stomach. Next is my ogirisi. Then my non-seasoning cube and salt. To start, I'll dissolve the ash in a small quantity of water and pour through a cheesecloth. The liquid is all you need. A drop of it can give you a perfect ncha for your ugba. Now let's make the ugba and set aside. In a pot or bowl, pour your oil and then add the drops of ngu. This will give you that orange color that you need for your ncha. Use a spatula and stir this continuously until everything is mixed together. Then start adding your ingredients. First, I added some fresh peppers, salt, then a teaspoon of ehuru, 1 seasoning cube. Mix this well to combine. Next, I added the pomo and ugba. Mix well to incorporate. Then add some crayfish powder. Cook this on a low heat for 30 seconds and turn off the heat. This is what our ugba looks like. Yummy, right? Moving on, wash out the abacha you soaked earlier on and allow the water to drain completely. The next step is to fry the fish, but before then, I would like to sprinkle a little salt and a little seasoning cube. Massage this really well and then fry it. This gives it a very good taste, especially if you didn't pre-cook it. I like to fry my fish very dry, but fry to your preference, okay? At this point, our fish is ready, so set that aside. Now let's make the abacha. In a pot, pour in the oil. I'll heat this just a little bit to dissolve the oil. Then I'll go ahead and add some chopped onion, then the ehuru, salt, seasoning cube, some fresh pepper and some crayfish. Please turn off the heat. Mix this well to incorporate. After that, I'll go ahead and add the ogiri. This is very important as it makes the abacha really flavorful. Give this a very good mix and then add the abacha bit by bit. I don't really like to mix this with my hands, but that's the best way to actually mix it properly. Mix this until it is well incorporated. At this point, our abacha is ready, so I'll go ahead and garnish it to my taste. If you found this video really helpful, please do well to subscribe if you haven't done so. Also hit the notification button to be the first to know anytime I post new videos. I served my abacha with some chilled palm wine. Now tell me, what would you be serving yours with? I want to know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.